Did you know that presentation with animation are 25% more likely to keep your audience engaged? What if I told you that you can create a professional gear rotation animation in PowerPoint in just a few simple steps? Welcome back. Today, we are going to show you how to create a stunning gear rotation animation in PowerPoint. This technique is perfect for adding a dynamic and professional touch to your presentation. Whether for business, education, or creative project, let's get started. First, right-click on the slide. Go to Format Background and select Picture or Texture Fill. Click on Insert. Choose your image and insert it. Next, let's add a gradient marks. Insert a rectangle. Drag it to cover the slide. Remove the outline and apply a gradient fill. Set the first stop to black with 30% transparency. At 10% position. Delete the middle stop. And set the second stop to black with 100% transparency. Now, let's add a gears. Go to Insert, click on SmartArt and select the gear shape from a Cycles category. Convert it to shape and ungroup them. Delete any unnecessary elements. Then, click on Slide Background Fill. Go to Effect, click on Shadow and add a outer shadow from the preset. Set the transparency to 30% and blur to 15%. Next, let's add some text. I am pasting the text I have already created on the left side of the slide. Right-click and duplicate the slide. Insert a new background image and rotate the gears. Move the text boxes to the top. After that, go to Transition, select Morph and decrease the duration. Click on Sound and insert a gear sound. We downloaded this gear sound from Pixabay and I have provided the link in the description. Repeat the process to create 2 additional slides, rotating the gears and shifting the text each time. Now, click on Slideshow to see your stunning gear animation in action. And there you have it. By following this simple step, you can create a captivating gear rotation animation in PowerPoint. Now it's your turn. Try creating this gear rotation animation in your next presentation and let me know how it goes in the comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more advanced animation technique. See you in the next video.